Greetings from NeuronThemes. In today's video, we are going to craft an Action After Submit pop-up that will be displayed to users after they submit our form. And it's all way too simple. Now, I've already made a template for my pop-up. Let's open it and add some more components to it. I have set the width of the pop-up to be 380 pixels and set the background color for the entire pop-up from the Style tab. I have also edited the close button so it matches our design and placed it on the left. You'll see why at the end. Before we add our content, select the section and add some padding values for the bottom. Let's go ahead and add our text now. First, we'll add a heading expressing enthusiasm, as if our GIF doesn't already do that. And from the Style tab, we'll set the text color, but we will also choose a typography style from the global list. We will duplicate the heading. This time, we'll congratulate our users on form submission. As per usual, we'll tweak the typography options. And lastly, we will duplicate the second heading. We'll change the content, stylize it, all the same steps really. This looks good, I like it. But to make our pop-up a bit more stylish, let's do a trick. Go to the pop-up settings, and from the Style tab, let's change the border radius. We will set the value in percentage and assign 50% on the left, right, and bottom corner of our pop-up, which will give us this result. Cute, right? Once we're done designing the pop-up, click on Publish and press Save and Close, as we won't be setting any conditions, triggers, or advanced rules. What we will do is open the page on which our form is implemented, and let's edit it. Click on the form element to open its settings. Under Action After Submit, select Pop-up. Open the Pop-up section. Under Action, choose Open Pop-up. Under Pop-up, select the template we've just designed. Now let's view our pop-up live in action. Every time a user submits your form, they will be greeted with this message. Cool, right? This is it. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow up on other videos to learn more cool tricks like this.